It's me, Brittany, coming to you live to show you how to make this very, very easy. What I think is the easiest beach skirt you will ever make. And it's very adaptable if you want to make it short, long, anything. So, this is the pattern of it. And to start, you will just need 2 ingredients, some yarn, and a hook. The size hook that I'm using is a 9mm. I know it's pretty big, but it's a beach skirt, you know what I'm saying? And this is some cotton yarn from Cascade Yarn, and I will link the description in the description. Now the first step is to make a slip knot, and just a quick reminder, you're gonna have your yarn like this, twist it once, pull the shorter string through like that, place it on your hook, and tighten it a little bit. Not too much, just tighten it like that. Now, this is also a very easy pattern because I don't really start with a number of chains. I chain as I go to create the length. So I think that's better for like adjusting, and you don't have to make the wrong number of chains, etc., etc. So what I'm going to be doing is chaining 5 to start. Everybody chains 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will join into the first stitch with a slip stitch. So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through one, pull through the other one. So you'll have a little ring here. Keep this ring in mind. Next, we're going to chain 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to kind of turn it a little bit. Insert our hook right into the ring, not into any particular stitches, into the ring. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's going to be a single crochet. Okay. Then we are going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slightly turn our work, and into this next ring that we just made, we're going to insert our hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3 little blocks, and these are the building blocks of the entire piece. So it's extremely easy. You're just going to literally be doing this forever. But the first step is to make your, the starting length of the garment. So you're going to keep doing this pattern of chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slightly turning and single crocheting into the previous hole that you made. So you see how it's building up a little bit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turning it, single crochet into that previous hole. Isn't that very easy and beautiful? So you are going to want to do this for the length of the skirt that you want. So my skirt, which is right here, I can count how many I did. I'm probably a size small, I guess. But you want to have it go around your waist, and how I did it was I made enough so I could have a little tie. So as long as it goes around your waist and you can tie it, then that is the length of your skirt. So I will meet you back here when you make a chain of these that is long enough for the width that you like. So what you want to do now is just lay it out straight and make sure this is on the bottom. I know it's hard to figure out which way is up and which way is down, but just lay it as straight as you can. And on the end here, from your last chain 5, To make the next row, we are going to, that's right, create another chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And instead of flipping it slightly, we are going to single crochet right into this hole, the one that we just single crocheted into. So single crochet, and you guessed it, another chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will be placing it right into the next hole. So there's kind of one that's upside down, and then there's one that's right side up. You want to go into the one that is right side up. There you go. So now you will just continue down this row, chaining 5 and then single crocheting into the next space that is right side up, the one that has the chain 5s going like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then single crochet. You're going to want to do that all the way back down the row. Okay, so we're at the end of the row, and we're going to make sure that we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into that very last space, the one that this string is coming out of. So single crochet, and there we go. So that is your second row. So for the next row after that, we are also going to be chaining 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, flipping our work, so put that to the left, and we are going to be single crocheting directly into this first space to create the next row. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet right into the next space. And as you can see, there is a beautiful little pattern forming here. There you go. You have to trust the process. It looks a little scrunched up right now, but that's because this is a big hook and very thin yarn. But I promise you, if you keep going, that it will be beautiful. So yeah, I think you get the idea at this point. You're just going to keep chaining 5 and single crocheting into each of these little holes. That one, that one, that one, and so forth until the end of the row. And then when you get to the end of the row, you're also going to make sure that you place it right into the last hole. So yeah, you're basically just going to do as many rows as you would like your desired skirt length to be. My skirt length is very, very short. I like a little micro mini type of thing. So I did about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did 11 rows for a very short length. But you could do long, and it's very stretchy, so that will be nice. And yeah, when you make it, you just fold it up like that. Let me zoom out a little bit. And I just tie mine like this on the side. And it's a cute little wrap skirt, perfect for the beach. It looks really cute on, really skimpy, and I love it. And it's so simple. You could literally make this on your way to the beach. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and let me know if you make this skirt. And hopefully I will be making a top to go along with it. I have to figure out what kind of top I want to make, but that will be coming soon. But thank you all for watching. So at this part, I just made a little extra chain and I'm tying it at the bottom here in case you want to close up your skirt a little bit. You can also do this for like the longer length. I think a bunch of these would look cute, like going down the side. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoy this tutorial.